Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to DXN family. Welcome to Mr. Laszlo Kocho from Hungary. Today our guest speaker all the way from Europe, Hungary. He is a great businessman.
Good morning, DXN.
Good morning. Good morning, Laszlo. Welcome to DXN RVC YouTube channel. We are very happy to meet you today online. I think offline it would have costed it so much. Today we are fortunate because of the technology. We are able to see each other, discuss each other and talk to each other. And Mr. Laszlo Kocho is from Hungary. Basically, he is a traditional businessman. He has been pursuing his business soon after his education, and he never went for a job. That means his mindset to be a businessman, owner, not as an employee. Hence, his ownership mentality, not as an employee mentality, was there from the beginning. That is how his interest in marketing. He is a marketing guy. Afterwards, he diversified into new system of marketing, new distribution system, which we popularly call network marketing or multi-level marketing. It is also basically called new technology in distribution, and he mastered in this new technology in distribution internet marketing or online marketing. He is basically known as internet marketing MLM guru. Last 20 years he has been consistently in this field. He was searching for a right partner for network marketing business. His interest on new technology in distribution made him to ultimately zero down and embrace DXN in the year 2008. And after he zeroed down to DXN, no looking back. He has built such a large online business across the globe, having more than 100,000 distributors in his organization, earning millions, and he became the fastest crown ambassador of the world ever in the history of DXN. He is the author of 10 facts about MLM, what you need to know before you decide. This is a beautiful, handy publication made by Mr. Laszlo Kocho as a beautiful pocket guide to MLM. I advise everybody who is interested in MLM must go through this. And he published this book in the year 2018 to bring out the hidden truth and exploited myth of most misunderstood industry. Thus, he is one of the most professional networker to apply a proven system. He is a dynamic networker, fighting always to build the business all over the globe, and he is a man who fought for popularizing network marketing in Europe to banish MLM quackery. Like quacks are there in every field, there are quacks in MLM. The right knowledge, right system, right leadership is required to be successful. He is the man who made that working. And today I am happy to present Mr. Laszlo Pocho, Crown Ambassador, fastest Crown Ambassador of Europe, online for interaction about his success.
Thank you, Professor.
To start with, Mr. Laszlo, may you know your background before a
Yeah, I try many things, but my profession is marketing. So before I joined the DXN, I had a small company, only 15 employees. It's an online marketing company. So this company is working very well, but I had a big problem. I am not free. So every day I was the first person who arrived the office, and I was the latest person who left the office. So I haven't time. And I have to be honestly, I really hate the direct selling and the multi-level marketing. It's many people try to push me. Laszlo, join this company. Laszlo, join this company. Sorry, it is not interesting for me. I'm a different style. I don't like it. Blah blah blah. And but maybe about 16 years before, it's happened a really special thing. It's one of my friend who is a leader, other MLM company, and who is my good friend, invite me his wedding. So I went this wedding, and I saw the top leaders in that company, and I saw them, and I told myself, Laszlo, they are nothing special, but they are free. They are totally free. So if they can do this, I can do too. So after this wedding, I tried to thinking, how can I enjoy the network marketing opportunity? And I tried to find a way. So finally, it was not easy. I got the idea, because my profession is the online marketing. I can build the huge network through online. But you have to know, it was about 50 years before. But 50 years before, the internet was totally different. No Facebook, no social media, nothing. Only web pages, only email. So it was a different situation. So I took a decision. Okay, I will build the network market. I will build a huge online business with the direct selling company. So I have only one job. I have to find a good partner. So I checked every MLM company that was available in the market. But I was really sad, because I didn't find the good for me. Of course, I saw some good company with good products, but one thing, it was not good, and other thing was not good for me. So finally, it's about 13 years before, I gave up. So I told myself, Laszlo, okay, it's a good idea, but you cannot find a good company. So I took this decision, and about a few months later, one of my friend bring me a sachet Ganoderma coffee, and when I saw it, it was not a DXN, but when I saw it, I told myself, Laszlo, this is the best idea. Because everybody know what is the coffee. Everybody know. So I can build this business online. So I immediately joined this company in the first day when he came from Hungary, and I started to do my online business. and it's working very well. But after 6 months later, I saw this company is not good. This company is not correct, really poor, so it's not working very well. And I'm coming really sad because my system is working very well. So I sit in front of my computer and I try to find another Ganoderma company. And I found the DXM, and I saw the DXM was the first, and every idea is coming from the DXM about the Ganoderma coffee. So, but in second time, I wouldn't like to take any mistake. So I bought a flight ticket. And I fly to Malaysia,
Oh,
and I check personally. How looking the DXM. So it was in 2008 summer, 2008 June. So would you like to ask?
that is fantastic. See, that you made a lot of homework before you selected the company. This is
Yeah.
generally only professional networkers and who has deep knowledge of network marketing will select the company. Really, otherwise people just randomly they join, they do something, that they become inactive or they company. This is really you had determined your mind to do something big. That is the reason why you spent your money all the way from Hungary to Malaysia to fly and to verify the company. That is fantastic. Really mind-boggling to get a leader in network marketing. Mr. Laszlo, another question I would like to ask. Why are you attracted to new technology? Because you are a conventional marketing guy. Why you are attracted to alternative marketing?
Yeah, because when I took a decision, I want to build a network marketing business. I was really serious about it. So I bought many network marketing books, and I studied everything. I read every books that I saw, because I try to understand is how working this system. And it's I had a problem because I don't like what I have to do in the network marketing, because I'm not a pushy man, so I wouldn't like to push the people, do this. So I went few advisor, few mentors, and I asked him who they was my friends, and I asked them, please tell me, how can I get the excitement about the network marketing opportunity? And they told me same, Laszlo, if you want to build a huge business in the network marketing industry, you have to find your motivation. This is not outside motivation. I'm talking about the motivation is how can you enjoy when you build this business. So I tried to find a way, and finally I found, because my profession is the online marketing, so I thinking I can really enjoy the build a network marketing business via online. So it was my idea, because if you get the excitement about this industry, you can do. But if you want to make only money, you cannot. So it's important some more deeply feeling.
Yes, that is the really reason how you got into system. I would like to know, Mr. Laszlo, when did you think online marketing is powerful? Because I know that I don't think any other people in DX have done such a online volume as far as my knowledge goes. Because most of the guys who are experts or top leaders, job in most of them offline only. I am totally offline. India, there is no online. Now only we are trying to pressuring them to bring online. Maybe, but you from the beginning, day one, concentrated on online recruitment, online sponsoring, online product supply, everything. How it was possible? What way you have done that as a powerful tool?
Okay, I have to share with you a story, and maybe the story is answer your question. You know, I had a really strong vision about it. So of course I really believe it can be working what I created. But of course I cannot be sure. So the story is when I am ready this system, of course the first version was Hungarian language. So in my mother language.
Yes.
So I created the web page, created the system with my programmer team, and when was everything is ready, I wouldn't like to take any mistake. So I try to find the person who can check the words. You know, the corrector who is check every word is right, every letters in the right place. So I want to find a professional. So finally I found a lady, and I sent her my web page, and I told her, please give me the price, you know, the price of her, how much is, you check my website. And her answer was, how can I join? So that time, you know, that time I know, okay, it's working. So now she's one of my diamonds. She's one of my double diamonds. So
Fantastic.
she's a full-time network builder.
That was mind-boggling. Really, that was a fantastic you recruitment which you. I know afterwards, no looking back. And how you got to know about DXN network marketing?
Yes. So in the marketing, in the MLM books, already wrote what is the most important thing about the network marketing company. You know, the own plantation, own factories, marketing plan is how many times it's changed, who is the owner, all everything. So when I found the DXN through the internet, nobody sponsored me, and I create the list, the checklist, and I sent the Malaysian HU, and I told them I am coming. I want to check everything. I want to check everything before I join. And you know, my first impression when I landed in Al Star, you know, the airport, in Kuala Lumpur, I saw the big billboard in the airport. The DXN is the biggest MLM exporter in Malaysia. And you know, the amazing story, other amazing story, you know, many companies telling, I am the biggest, I am the biggest. But when I arrived at the hotel in Kuala Lumpur, in the reception, I found a prospect, you know, the tourist prospect, about Kedah. Kedah, you know, is a place of the birthplace in the DXN. And this independent tourist prospect wrote it, if you want to see the biggest Ganoderma plantation in the world, you can see the DXN plantation. Entry is free. So it was a really good impression for me. And you know, it's of course I checked the farm, checked the plantation. I met Miss Jane, and I personal story. You know, I asked the company, I want to see the marketing plan presentation, but not from the leaders, but for the staff. And do you know who was the person 12 years ago, who took me the first marketing plan presentation. It was your international marketing director, is Ashish, Mr. Ashish.
Ashish.
You know, the Indian man. He was young, of course, 12 years
Yes,
ago.
yes, yes, that
And I really remember the first day he showed me how working the DXN marketing plan. So it was an amazing feeling, and I saw, yes, the DXN is the biggest company in this sector, and DXN is the oldest Ganoderma company. Every other companies copy the DXN, so DXN is the origin company. So I saw the background, and I immediately joined the DXN.
fantastic, fantastic. You made really a research, really a homework for before you could zero down to select a company. Rarely people do, very rarely. And like your story, if I add, because I launched the DXN India for the sake of information to you, 2000. We also did so much research.
Yeah.
2018 before we opened at 2009. Almost 1 year product all because it's launching country. So we
Yes,
wanted to be
I
successful.
know. I opened many countries. Yes.
Yes, yes. And that is how what you did 2008 before we launched a DXN. So wonderful. How about your initial struggle? Because this is generally it wants to stop. The struggle will be. How about yours?
Yeah. You know, it's when I was in Malaysia, I got two really strong motivation. So the one was, that time the DXN is not in Europe, nothing is there. And I told the company, yes, I want to do this business, but the management told me, okay, Laszlo, it's no problem for us, but you have to know it's in the past few years, many people come to Europe, but nothing happened. So please come back to me if you can show minimum 500 registration. So it was a really big motivation for me. And this other one is a really nice story, maybe you remember when was the 20th anniversary of the DXN, and it was my first Corona Ambassador introduction, and we was together in the stage in Putrajaya, and I speak only Hungarian few words, and but the story is true, because when I left Malaysia 2008 summer, I was really sad, because maybe 1 month later was the 15th anniversary, but I cannot wait there. So I cannot wait there, and I cannot attend this anniversary because I was there 1 month before. So when I fly back to Hungary in the airplane, I took a decision. 5 years later, I will be in the stage and a Corona Ambassador. So I was really serious about it. I haven't any experience about the DXN, but I took decision. And these two motivation, when I came back to Hungary, nothing was interesting for me. Only my goal. And my whole family supported me. Because, my story, I have a big family. When I joined the DXN, I had 5 children. And of course, when I checked the marketing plan, and I saw it's 6 different line needed for the diamond level. So I took a decision, and now I have 6 children. And the smallest one is 10 years old. So everybody supported me, and I can focus only the network building.
Fantastic. It was great, vision which you determined to go fastest crown ambassador of the world. How you initially scaled to Star Diamond?
I have to say, you know, I never focus the diamond level. Every time I focus the crown ambassador level. So it was not interesting for. So it was for me. Sorry, it's echo is coming now. I don't know what happened.
No, it's audible.
Okay, it's
Yes,
maybe
yes.
that's Skype.
Yes,
Okay.
clap.
I focus the crown ambassador level from the first time, and I know I have to find 20 serious people only. So it was my, and I focus what I can influence, and I can influence only one thing: how many meetings a day. I can influence only this. How many people I share this opportunity. So when I started this business, I took decision every day 5%. It was my month. Every day 5 personal meeting. Not of course. I did it only few months. But after I think in 4 or 5 months later, I will be the diamond.
Oh, fantastic.
So I focus this job, and of course, you know, everybody talking about the online business. Of course, I build this business in online, but I work really hard offline too. Because you know, when I talk about offline this opportunity, of course I can show the online system, then the tools. So, but I work really hard offline too.
Very good. Yes, sir. I know, because people think that online we can recruit somebody and then relax and sleep. Everything will happen automatically because some of the people thinking that they can recruit any number of people, but follow up, follow through, and personal contact and building relationship must be offline only, because the people are more excited while we meet them directly, while we hear their problems, hear their story, while we give them confidence personally, then they get charged, they get excited. That it is a great thing, as you said that you are right. Only for recruiting you used online, and then training. Most often you have traveled nook and corner to build the business. I think that.
Professor, this is a really important point, because most of the leaders, most of the members thinking the online business building is a free money.
Yes,
it is not. It is not. It's really hard work. But you know, if you understand how can you use the technology, of course it is an advantage.
Yes.
So now because the market is different, you know, everybody uses social media. You can touch the people through online. You can take a presentation online. You can sponsoring online, but of course you can talk personally too. And I think the biggest advantage in this technology, not the sponsoring the new person. The biggest advantage this technology, you know, how can I support my network, and how can I teach my new members to be. For example, let's see my YouTube channel. I'm managing this YouTube channel more than 8 years, and the last 8 years I recorded my whole presentation. Every training is recorded and is free everybody in my YouTube channel. And you know, when my new prospect is coming and a new member is registered, the first step I'm sending him the video list. Please check his videos and please learn. Not only one time, please watch many times. Take a question and take a comment and come back to me. take a consultation. But of course you have to know, most of the people never come back. But I know they are not serious about the business opportunity. They are not serious about making money. But who cares about it? I have to find only 20 people.
Yes.
I have to find only 20 serious person.
Yes,
It's really small amount, really small amount.
Yes, yes.
But the online can support it me very well.
Very good, very good, very good. That is a really very thought-provoking matter what you have now told. It is very important for everybody to think on these lines, that because they think every joining will make money, every joining will become a diamond. The how to filter and find the right people as a serious partners to build business, that is most important. What strategy you have adopted, sir? How you massively succeeded in becoming the fastest Crown ambassador? Because everywhere, wherever I go, I hear your name, any country, fastest Crown ambassador, Mr. Laszlo Kocho. It's a fantastic, he made it in within 4 years or something like that. Of course, it took us more than 7 years, 8 years in the beginning market. But I know that even somebody may emerge within 3 years now, or within 2 years, because now technology is available. Those who are serious, even within 2 years, they can become Crown ambassadors. It may not be challenge, I feel, if they work rightly. But still, in a new market, you also struggled, because Hungary was a new market which you opened, launched. Definitely, for the first person, there will be a big struggle. Subsequent people, it is easy if they are going to attain.
Yeah. You have to know, it was not my goal. I want to be the fastest. My goal was only really simple. I want to be Crown ambassador 5 years, because I want to be in the stage, in the 20 centers. That was my goal.
That was a fantastic.
Yes, and I'm sure in the next few years is coming the fastest Crown ambassador. Everybody can be more faster than me, because now is the DXN is more powerful. Everywhere is available in the DXN, and we have many amazing products. And of course the technology is really useful. So I was really serious, and of course, and now I'm really serious about this business. And I think the main mistake, what is happening in the members' life, they are thinking, oh, the DXN is amazing. The DXN is a big family. I really enjoy this. But this is a business. My friends, ladies and gentlemen, this is a business opportunity. So you have to think this is a serious business. Many people thinking, this is my hobby. This is my hobby. I really enjoy it. Please enjoy your hobby income. Do you know it's how working the hobby income? If you have a hobby, you spend money, don't earn money, So this is why I'm thinking this is a business opportunity. Every time I take a strategy and I take a plan, because this is a business. It's many people ask me, Laszlo, how working the online networking? You have to know, every time is changing. Every time is changing, because the world is changing. It's few years before it's working. Now it's not working. Now other thing is working. But today, if you take a decision, and if you try something in the social media, and if you are serious, and every time you check the result, and you take a modification, and if you modify something, and change something, and focus again, and test, you can develop, and you can find a way how can you touch the people more efficiently. So no rules, no secret. The secret is a serious. How serious you about this opportunity. So it's really important. The attitude And this is a business opportunity. You know, when people crying to me, Laszlo, my bonus is not enough. Every time I can say, please check your calendar, please check your diary. The answer is there. What happened in your business in the last 6 months? Where is your activity? Where is your activity? How many meetings? How many real activity? So it's really important.
Very good. You are absolutely right. As you know that lot of people, they think that it is all automatic process, but how serious one in the business, that leads to really the big result, big growth. Another most important question, I feel people expect the answer. Generally, people ask also, they want to know, because this is commonly in every place, same thing is happening, every country. What are the MLM negatives you had to fight? MLM negative.
So, you know, it's my attitude, you know, I would like to share information only. So I wouldn't like to say this is the true things. Every time I'm talking about it, what is my why and how I thinking about this opportunity. And you know, when I start the presentation, you know, somebody asked me, Laszlo, please take the presentation about this business opportunity. Every time I started it, ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to talk about why this business opportunity good for me, not for you, for me.
Yes.
Because I know why is for me. And after, you can take a decision. Maybe it is okay for you, but it is your decision, your view.
Yes, yes.
I want to share with you the sample, how working my life, how working my vision, how working my business. And you have to take a decision. You know, it's maybe 8 years before or 6 years before, I don't remember, I created the video. It's available in my YouTube channel, and I think this is the most helpful video for those people who are thinking this is a good decision or not. The DXN is the best opportunity or not. And I did this video. I'm sitting in the garden, and I calling in this video instead of the business presentation. Is it available many different languages subtitle? And I'm talking about it, why is the DXN is the best opportunity, and why is the network marketing is the best opportunity, without any pushing. Only share my vision, because you have to know the passive income can come only from the customer.
Yes.
Only for those people who is not interested in the qualification, who buy the products because the products. And the DXN has the best products, because the people need these products.
Yes.
It's really important. I never call the people, please buy one sachet coffee, one bag's coffee, because everybody's a coffee addict. Everybody wants to buy the coffee, you know it. Why the DXN? You know, the answer is really simple. Most of the people, no coffee drinker.
Yes.
They are coffee addict. They are coming to the DXN, and they will be the DXN coffee addict. So it's really simple. The passive income is coming.
Yes. You are right. What is your advice to people who want to be professional networker?
Okay.
Because I read this also. You are more particular. In one chapter you dealt with professional networker.
Yeah. So, you know, the many people thinking the network marketing opportunity, it's only the B plan, only the additional opportunity, but they want to reach big money. They want to earn big money. So it is not working. So if you want to earn big amount money, You have to thinking this is a business opportunity. And of course, I understand many people's situation, they have a job, they can start this business opportunity only part-time. But you have to thinking from the first time, I have a business. I have a company. This is my company, not the DXN, my structure, my team. This is my company. I have to support it. I have to support to grow. And this is my first point, the main point. Every other thing is after. Because if you focus this, you can reach the good level, the nice level, the nice month, every month. And after, you can spend your time with your family. So,
Yes.
but it's not working if
Yes.
you take a question. Now, this is the time, and I have a decision: family program or DXM program.
Yes.
Of course, it's not a question; it's a DXM program, because you want to reach money, you want to earn money,
Yes.
and after you will be free. You know. You know, in 2016, when I finished to open the Turkish market, it was a really hard job. I finished the DXM business. You know, I take relax.
Yes.
1.5 year, I didn't do anything. Only few presentation. But you know, two things. My bonuses increase because the passive income.
Yes.
But my feeling was really bad. Because you know it's not the right way. Didn't do anything. You know
Yes.
it's important to do something, create something. So I come back and I start to build my business again. And you know now I'm working really hard in Africa, and it's amazing. It's amazing.
Yes. That is
So my suggest who want to be professional network builder. Please thinking than a professional. Please thinking than a professional. Please use the skill. You are the professional. Please learn a lot because every knowledge is free now. Everything is available in YouTube. Everything is available in YouTube.
Yes. Yes.
You know, it's amazing. You know, it's what happened a few hours ago. One of my car, you know, because the pandemic, I didn't use my car.
Yes.
And you know, I cannot start my car because you know the battery go down.
Yes. Yes.
And you know I never opened the motor. You know I never opened because it's okay, it's good car. And you know we didn't find the battery. But my son put the YouTube is where is the battery, my car, and you show the tutorial video, the free tutorial video, so we can find the battery. It's amazing. So everything is available in the YouTube.
Yes. Yes. You are right. 20 years back, 30 years back, while we started or opened our mind on network marketing, nothing was available. Even mobile was not available. We had only trunk call. With that we struggled. Now technology is amazing if it is used rightly, productively, creatively for building business. That's what.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
You are right. You are right. So. What are your advices to new generation networkers who want to be rich?
Okay. So you have
This
to
is
see
younger generation. I mean, teens who are entering today to MLM.
Yeah, you know the young generation situation is really comfortable and really good because everybody is online. You know, maybe not every 65 years people is available in online, but every young people is available in online. And my suggested, you know, nobody knows the secret. Nobody knows. And the world is changed really fast. But you have to start your business in online. It's free. It's working without investment. Facebook, TikTok, any social media, WhatsApp, everything is free. And you can test. So you can create the strategy you can create the strategy. It's maybe looking the stupid strategy because nobody used before. But you can start. You can do it. You can do it seriously and do the follow-up. So, for example, let's see the really clear. Okay, today you take a decision. Is how can I communicate? How can I communicate about this business opportunity? And you can create the simple text, or you can create the pictures, or you can create the videos, and you start it and use and check the feedback. And if you use this seriously, maybe 5 days later, maybe 2 weeks later, you can change. You can change a little bit. You can change the words. You can change the colors. You can change something and do seriously again. And it's maybe 6 months, no result, but don't worry about it. But because maybe the 7th month, you can find a Crown Ambassador.
Oh.
So this is the way. But many people, what happening, doing this business, but they don't know what they do. Only chatting. So it's no follow-up, no checking. It's what I teach the people. One of the most important thing, the control, the quality control. The quality control. You have to know, in my first days and day, it's working until today, when I take a presentation, when I take a personal meeting, after every meeting, I check myself. I check the quality control. Laszlo, you was okay. How can you be better? How can you develop your presentation, your talk, your final message, your everything? Every time I'm thinking about it, how can I be better? How can I be more efficiently? So it is not a free money, but it's really, really reasonable money. So it's really good money if you are serious. So please check, please find a way, be creative. And one thing, it's if you see something, it's on the market. It's not the network marketing market. If you see any messages, you start to thinking, how can I use it in my DXM business? How can I change? Copy, paste, copy and change and use. Okay, every time I'm thinking about it.
Yes. You are absolutely right. This is what we say in the marketing term, copycat marketing. This is copying and pasting, copycat marketing. And
nothing is new.
Yes. That is fantastic. What your message to the new generation networkers who are emerging and who want to take it as a profession. You are popularly known as coffee networker. What is most of the people around the world, they know you as you have built the major portion of your network by promoting coffee.
Yeah.
I would like to know what percentage of coffee is in your total turnover, because you have placed that as a basic product to promote your network.
Yeah. I use the coffee because this is the most easiest entry product. That's it. But of course I know the best product, is more easy, and the best products is a Ganoderma and the Spirulina or others. But the coffee is the most easiest entry product.
Yeah.
So when I start a business, I'm talking about the coffee, but I know if somebody feels different and somebody understands why is the good for the Ganoderma, he wants to try the Ganoderma, the Spirulina and the Cordyceps, every product, because they have a product experience, the good product experience. So I use the coffee only because this is the most easiest entry product. So I'm not a doctor, I'm not a natural healer, and I have to be honestly, it's not interesting for me. It's not interesting for me is how working the Ganoderma. It's more than enough for me. It's working. It's actually, it's okay, but it's no need details. This is not my job. So it's I built my network only with two products: coffee and the soap. Coffee and the soap. Because when I offer the coffee, the people can say, okay, I try it, and it's others. Sorry, Laszlo, I never drink coffee. But I know maybe these people take a sugar every day, so I can suggest the soap. And these two products is working immediately. If somebody start to drink this coffee and drinks only this coffee, maybe few days, after a few days, they can feel the difference. And if somebody try this soap, he can feel the difference immediately. Immediately. It's different. Yes. So these two products, it's really amazing for introducing this how easy this business. Because when I studied the network marketing industry, I saw 2 points, 2 critical points. What is the problem for the new prospect side? 2 problems. One problem, they don't want to lose any money. They're afraid about the risk. They're afraid about the investment. And the good news, here, no investment. You can start it. It's really important. You cannot lose your money. But the other critical point is more dangerous. Most of the people cannot imagine I can do this business. Most of the people cannot imagine I can be Crown Ambassador. I cannot be Crown Ambassador. I cannot be rich with this business because I'm a poor people without education, without strong background. So most of the people thinking about it. And what is their decision? They don't want to start because they cannot imagine I can do it. But let's see my example. Who is the man, who is the couple under us who built the biggest turnover business? The simple bus driver. Bus driver. It's just. The simple bus driver follow my guideline, and after 6 months later, he has to finish his job. Because his attitude. Because he can imagine his market is unlimited. Because he knows many people who drinks coffee. So I never focus the network builders. I never focus the businessmen. Every time I focus the coffee drinkers. That's it. It's really simple.
Yes, you are absolutely right. As you said, your biggest line came from a bus driver. It happens everybody, everywhere in the world. Similarly to me, no professor came to build business. Not many doctors have built business, though we recruited doctors, exceptionally 1 or 2 people. But the business comes from the ordinary people who have decided to be extraordinary by their hard work.
Its professor is really important. Is what is the products? What we sell? So when I ask the people, what is your products? What do you sell? And I got many answers. I sell the health products. I sell the Ganoderma. I sell the healthy coffee. I sell the financial freedom. I sell the good business opportunity. Blah blah. Of course, it's nice answer. But do you know my products? My products every time is different. My products, you can do it. You can do this business. You're capable to do this business. This is my product. This is what I sell when I meet the new prospect. I have to show you can do this business because you know many people who drinks coffee.
Yes.
Who take a sugar. You know many people who take a sugar.
I remember. I remember always about you, and I also heard from you inviting people business over a cup of coffee.
Yeah.
Business over a cup of, that was a very attractive proposition to somebody to come and chit chat and know initially about the business. As you said, this coffee, tea, soap, shampoo, or our Kokozi, or even Morinji. Morinji is again a juice. This is a wonderful juice. And our Rosella, all these are beverages. They are all drinks. They are very attractive because after water, people will drink something liquid. All types of liquid Dr. Lim has brought in DXN. I think that is what the best proposition to entry level. That was what you did it wisely, you know. One more question I would like to ask. Most people enter here for a quick money or a easy money. They think their mindset is quick money or easy money. What is your advice for such people? Because they enter, it's like a lottery mentality in MLM. Lottery mentality.
Yeah. You know, it's, of course, I saw this action in the market. You know, most of the people try to find the instant solution. You know, it's saying that somebody want to result if you use 2 capsule Ganoderma. You know, they are sick, they use 2 capsule Ganoderma and they want to be health. So it is, of course, it's not working. You know, it's same. It's many people try to find the instant solution, the quick money, the fast money. But you know, it's maybe it is available, but it is not compare the passive income. So you know, is why the people try to find the quick money and the fast money, because they are thinking their situation is really bad now and they want to change it immediately. But my message for them, don't worry about your bad situation, because your bad situation is not running away. Your bad situation can wait. So it's best way if you focus the final solution, you know, the passive income solution. And don't worry about it if you cannot solve the problem immediately. The most important, you have to solve your problem finally. This is the right vision, the right view. So you know, it's don't worry about it that you cannot influence, because maybe you cannot solve it. You cannot solve it immediately, but please focus what you influence, and you can influence one thing. How many presentation a day? You can influence only one thing. How many presentation a day? So this is the best way if it is your focus. And you know, many people is crying, Laszlo, I cannot do money with the DXN. Please help me. I'm do this business really seriously. Please help me. And do you know what is my answer? Sorry, I cannot help you. Sorry, I cannot help you because that you ask is too general. I really want to help you. So I have a request. Please come back 1 week later. Please come back to me 1 week later, and please tell me what happened in your last week. Please tell me honestly, and I can help you, because I know what's happening. Nothing happened. So this is your bonus is really low, because no action. Your previous week, no real action. It's maybe I can I try to share something now. I think it can be working.
Yes.
Just a moment. I want to share with you. Oh, I think it's working. Maybe you see this.
Yes. Yes, yes.
Now you see the poster, yes?
Yes, yes, we are seeing.
Yeah.
It's
I
visible.
created it yesterday because I want to show you is what is the option do you have in this in the DXN business. So you see,
Abu.
when you register to DXN, you have two ways. One way, you take a decision, I don't want to build the DXN business. Another, you want to build the DXN business. It's two options. It's really clearly. If you don't want to build the DXN business, you have two options. Don't use the products or use the products. That's it. No more option. But, and this is the most important part, if you want to build the DXN business, if you want to make money, you have two choices. You do the fake work or you do the real work. And this is the big difference. Most of the DXN members do the fake work. You know, they are talking about this opportunity, but not seriously, without any strategy, without any control, you know, the quality control, without any follow-up. Maybe now is many people talking about it. I build this business in online, but please show me what you do. Searching the Facebook is not a building business online. So if you want to do real work, it's two options, two way. 90% presentation, online, presentation offline, but the real presentation, face-to-face presentation. And the 10% is develop yourself. Not 30% develop yourself and 70% sharing information. No, 90% sharing information and 10% develop yourself. And the final part, if you have a network and if you didn't reach the Crown Ambassador level until you are not a Crown Ambassador, minimum 70% new presentation. 20% support the network and 10% develop yourself. This is my rules. This is my principle. Please check this. Please check this poster,
yes,
and please find where are you now. Where are you now? Maybe I think you are in the fake work.
Yes.
So this is the main point. If you want to reach big amount, you have to thinking seriously. You have to do real work.
Yes.
Because you want to get real money, yes? You want to get money. So you have to do real work. No other option. So it's okay. I try to how can I? Okay, just a moment.
Online out.
Okay,
Yes, you can.
Sorry, it's I try to find how can I? How can I close the? Okay, just a moment.
Yes, no problem.
I not. Okay, sorry, I'm here. Okay.
You are done.
Sorry. Okay.
Yes.
So this is my message about it.
Very good. No, it is correct. What you have told is another important question which I would like to ask today is, why don't a majority take this business not seriously? Majority people who come to network, they don't take it seriously. Why?
You know, I never thinking about it is somebody why do this business or why not. So this is not interesting for me, because I have a really special principle about my network marketing strategy. So it's somebody join under me, I'm really happy because he joined. But not this is the final decision, because it's no investment. So this is not a big deal to join the DXN. So when I take the first consultation, I share with my principal, share with my philosophy, and I telling the new prospect, new members, you have to know you build your business, not my business. So in the future, I never call you. Is why don't you do this business? Because it's not interesting for me. This is your decision, this is your business. But you have to know I am your sponsor and you can call me anytime. And I want to give you the full support of your success. But you have to call me. I never call you. So it is really important. It's really important because I'm a serious businessman. I want to support my network, but I can support only for those people who want to do something. No needed education, no needed money, no needed background, only the attitude. I want to do something. And the next step, you have to learn. So I share the videos. Please check the videos and come back to me and we can take a consultation. No stupid question. You can ask everything, but not before, because I wouldn't like any wasting time. So don't call me how working this, because everything is available in the videos. You can check everything, you can listen, take a question and come back to me. And I want to give you the full support of system. And what happening? Most of the people never come back, but it's no problem for me.
Yes.
No problem for me, because I know they don't want to make money. And how working the DXN marketing plan? It's really simple. I have to find only 20 people, 20 serious person, no more. But my question is, this is the most important part. How can you find 20 people if you spend your limited valuable business time with those people who don't want to make money? Of course you cannot find, because you haven't time. It's really easy. It's many small figure is important. When I started this business because I want to be free. But few months later, my feeling was really bad. You know why? Because my phone every time is ringing. Every time the people is calling me is, Laszlo, how working this? I told myself, Laszlo, it is strange. How can you be free? Now you are more busy. So it is not the right way. It's what happened. Please check it. First, I don't answer the phone call. And I wait 1 hour or 2 hours and I call back the people. And most of the time they answer me, Laszlo, sorry, the problem is solved. Most of the people is lazy. And they find the easiest way. What is the easiest way? Call the sponsor every small thing. Because the sponsor can know the answer. So I teach the people how they can find the answer. This is the way. How they can build a business alone without me, only with my support.
Yes. Correct. No, that is what really you mean by independent ownership. Unless they become independent, then it will not work. If they are independent, they will learn. They will try to learn more and more and get the result. One more I would like to ask. What are the general mistakes people commit in the process of network? General mistakes.
Okay, I think it's the two most important general mistake. You know, one is they are spending their limited valuable business time with those people who don't want to make money. So this is the biggest mistake. This is my experience. You know, it's
Everybody's experience.
yes, yes. Forget it. You know, you have to know when you talk with those people who don't want to make money seriously. This is free time. This is holiday, not a business activity. This is a holiday. This is your holiday. And so this is not the right way. You have to check it. You know, it's you can test the people. Because, you know, many people is talking, yes, 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 I want to make money, I want to make money. But where is your activity? Where is your action? You please tell me, okay, how many meetings was in the last week? Please tell me. So, and the next one is one of the biggest mistake, you know, they are working without follow-up system. The follow-up system is really important. This is one of my mantra, is follow-up, follow-up, follow-up. Because you have to know, if you got to know about this opportunity, this no is not calling you, this not calling the DaySend. This no is calling this person actual situation. So for example, when I share this information, the new prospect, and they told me, Laszlo, it's not interesting for me. Thank you very much. Good luck to you. So no push. Because I know this no is not calling me, not calling the DaySend. This calling their quality, their current situation. But the world is changed. And maybe 3 months later, 6 months later, 1 year later, this man will lose his job or want more or others. So I use the really simple follow-up system. Really simple. Every 3 months, I contact with the people. It's really simple. You know, it's how working. I show you. You know, it's, for example, we are talking and you told me, Laszlo, sorry, no. Okay, no problem. I'm happy because I share my vision. It is no problem for me. I'm really happy because we can talk. 3 months later, I call you, Professor. I have to share with you. I am here, and this business is amazing. I'm really enjoying it. And I call you only one thing. It's maybe your mind is changed, your situation is changed. Maybe now it's interesting for you. No, I don't talk about the product. Don't talk about the company. And maybe 3 months later, you told me, Laszlo, sorry, my business is working very well. It's not interesting for me. Okay, thank you, Professor. Good luck to you. 3 months later, I calling you again, and I told you, Professor, I'm here. Everything is amazing. I really enjoy it.
Yes.
The DaySend is the best for me, not for you, for me.
Yes.
And you have to know one secret. I use a special system. I calling is 3 months rule. Every 3 months, I calling those people who told me no. So this is why I call you now. Nothing special. So my question is, are you ready to start with me? You told me, sorry, Laszlo, no, not interesting. Not interesting. Okay, thank you, Mr. Vasupar. Thank you, Professor. Good luck to you. You know, no push. But 3 months later, I don't call you. I only send a text message, maybe WhatsApp message, maybe email, maybe SMS message. You know, only copy paste. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. You know the 3 months rule. I enjoy the DaySend. What about you? That's it. Every 3 months, copy paste. And maybe 1 year later, maybe 2 months later, your business go down or your life is changed. Everything is happening. And I am the first person in your mind, then a pre-plan, then a B-plan. And we can work together. Because you have to know the worst thing can be happening in your life if you touch somebody in this opportunity and you don't do the follow-up, and maybe 2 years later you can meet again with him in the DaySend seminar when he got his diamond pin, but he is not under you, he is under the person. So this is the worst thing can happen.
Yes. Yes.
So
It happens.
it's
Many,
safe.
many cases it happens because
Yeah.
we were not serious. We thought he is not serious. It
Yeah.
happens. You are absolutely right. That is a fantastic this you gave. Uh, this I know that you traveled more than 50 countries.
Yeah.
And I too have traveled, I think higher than you, maybe
Yes,
75
yes, sure.
countries, because I joined almost 10 years earlier to you, maybe 8 to 10 years. And that was one of my dreams as a professor of economics, as a employee. I didn't have the opportunity to travel, leave alone outside India or even within India. Maybe a couple of seminars we used to go. But the love to see people and see people from all the continents of the world. I was, maybe 3 times I visited Europe, 2 times, of course, all the 3 times free only. Once that international seminar in Chalkidiki. And all the countries to see, that is the most exciting part of any human being in any profession. I think everybody will have that dream. They must see different people, different culture, different tradition, different atmosphere, different language, different religion. That was the beauty of humanity. I love to do that, and I had really I am obsessed with the traveling. That is one thing. Second part, what you have touched is that people come for the freedom, time, money, security. And the most important part of security is passive income. You have mentioned in your book also this about the passive income, how it is the most attractive part, because whether we work or not, whether we are disabled or incapacitated or old age, maybe after 70, 80, because once you build the network, your passive income is guaranteed. Even after retirement, people think of passive income anytime, because they don't have any energy to go for employment or job again. That time they are thinking something. So how these factors can be most influential factors for attracting people to network marketing, because very often people think only about immediate benefit like earning extra income or maybe even big money. Most of them don't think seriously these are the major benefits for a professional networker. How do you view about this?
Okay, I think the main benefit from the network marketing opportunity is not the money. The main benefit, the time, because the time is the more valuable thing. I want to share with you my favorite story in my DXN life. Is I have 6 children, and 4 is the adult and 2 is the small. And if I see my previous years when I was in the school, I have to say it was a wasting time, because I didn't learn the true things in the school, is how working the successful well life. So and how can we achieve the good life. I learned lots of unuseful things.
Yes.
And other thing, the school is not really efficiently, because it's maybe 60%, is the teacher has to say you have to do this, you have to do this, you have to do this. So the exact teaching is only few percent.
Yes.
So when we available in Crown Ambassador level, and of course our life is changed because now we have a time, more free time, and we took a decision. Our two children don't use the school system, and my smallest son never go to school
Oh,
because the school is not interesting.
yes.
You know, the school is not interesting. The degree is not interesting because the degree is interesting for those people who want to get a great job.
Yes,
But
yes,
somebody
yes.
want to be free.
Yes,
The
yes.
education, the education is interesting.
Education.
So education is really interesting. But you know, it is not a money question because many people has the money for private teacher. You know, we have a private teachers. This is not a money question. This is a time question. So most of the children has to go to the school because their parent has a
Awesome.
job,
Yes,
has a
yes.
job,
Yes,
and they
yes.
have time to save the children. So they spend
them to
children to
school.
school. Please save my children when I am working. So this is the fact. And now everything is available in the YouTube. Everything is available in the internet. It's amazing. And they can focus for the interesting things.
Yes.
You know, the valuable things, not the stupid exam and everything. Because it's no needed the nice degree. The needed the professional education. How can be happy in the life? So we can do this because the DXN, because the passive income, and because we can get the time. And you know, I joined the DXN because the business, because the money. But as I told you, the travel and many other things is really nice, and it's more interesting the money. But I think the best thing in this business and this opportunity, when we can see somebody under us
Yes.
who is coming really deeply, can reach the free level, and we can support them. So this is the most amazing benefit, the feeling, you know,
Yes,
when we
yes.
can see how many people can change their life because we show this opportunity. So now I have to say, of course, this is a big word, but this is true. Now this is not a business for me. This is a mission. Sharing the information. How can they change your life without any investment, without any risk?
Yes, yes. No, you are absolutely right. Once we reach the top, our vision and our dreams change to greater part of the society. Those who are less privileged than us, those who don't have what we have, those who don't have that kind of freedom. And I know that people don't understand, they don't value many times what we want to do as a mission to change the lives of the people. This is what every networker, once he reaches the top, it goes to his mind. Either he will be visible or invisible. Maybe some people may become invisible after making money because they may not have further any mission. But people like us who have the mission, we will not stop with after making money. Even if we are not networking, not sponsoring, not going to market, not visible, still we make money. Still we make perhaps more money than what we have struggled in the beginning time. But why do we visible? Why do we in this corona period we are trying to motivate people? Why you are coming all the way from Hungary online today? Why I am trying to fix you? For it is mainly you have a large number of people today viewing you. I have a large number of group who are viewing us today in YouTube. Our objective is how many lives will change today? How many lives we can touch in our lifetime? As you said, the satisfaction or mental peace what we get by changing the lives seeing the change of life cannot be bought through money. Money cannot satisfy us. This is a great mission and vision, and I know that true networker is he will sacrifice his life. I still reminded of a beautiful book written by Robin Sharma, where in one of his the best, he is a management trainer and a great philosopher on management, and he has written a book, Who Will Cry When You Die. So I am sure that in that he talks about the values and principles of the person. He says the people will die while people will cry while you die if you have touched their life. Otherwise nobody will bother. And he says touch one life every day. The mission is to touch one life every day. That is what I have been practicing in DXN last 20 years. At least before I sleep, before I go to bed, I touch one new life. One new life. Whether he wants to be rich, whether he wants to be free, whether he wants to have the security, freedom is left to them. So it is great, Mr. Laszlo Kocho, talking to you today. Anything else you want to share, you are free to do. Or
yes, of course.
Yeah.
The most important thing I want to share with you.
That is there.
So I want to share with you the story.
Yes.
Because it's it's now in front of my biggest interpreter, Professor Vasupal. Because the true story. When the companies launched this product, I bought one, and I taste, and I told myself, Laszlo, forget it. It is not for yours. So it was the true things. But it's few months later, is somebody come from India to the Halkidiki camp, and this man, Professor Vasupal, take a presentation. And during his presentation, he opened one bottle of Morinzi and drink immediately in the stage. Everybody say, wow, this is the man, So, but that day I told myself, Laszlo, this is not your style. You cannot do it. So I didn't drink this Morinzi, and it's a few years later I saw the movie. And this movie is showing the Hungarian soldier, and this Hungarian soldier was a really strong people, and every time he is talking about it, I am strong. And after the movie, I told myself, I am strong. And how can I show I'm strong? So I took a decision, drink one bottle of Morinzi, thank Professor Vasupal, and I asked my wife, please record it, and I can show my leaders how I'm strong. So it's happened, and I drank my first bottle of Morinzi, and after I told myself, so it's good, it's not so bad. So I took a 100 day Morinzi challenge.
Yes.
It was maybe 3 or 4. I think it was 4 years back, and everybody was really excited because every day I recorded it. And my movie maker friend created a professional movie. It's the first 100 days, and I show it, and everybody was really excited. So after this video, I missed the Morinzi because it was finished. So I took a decision when I will be 50 years old. I will start the longest product presentation with the DXN Morinzi, and every single day in my life, in the future, I will drink one bottle of Morinzi. So now I'm more than 52. So
How many days now? This is continuously.
859.
Yes,
So
859 today. 860 today.
59.
59.
Yes,
Yes.
859. So it's coming in September is the 1000 day. But
Yes.
I wouldn't like to finish it. I
Yes,
wouldn't
yes.
like to finish it. So in the
Yes.
next 50, 60 years,
Yes.
every day I drink one bottle. So
Well,
today
you will be 100 not out. You will be 100 not out.
yes, yes, yes. I hope. So
Thank
I
you.
shake it.
Thank you.
Okay. And thank you for
Yes.
you showing me this opportunity.
Thank you.
Thank you, Professor. So it's amazing drink, and it is my prevention. It is my prevention.
Yes.
Every day I drink really
Yes.
serious one bottle
Yes.
Morinzi, and I record it every day. And you
yes.
can follow me in the Daily Morinzi YouTube channel and the
Yes.
Daily Morinzi Facebook page, Daily
Yes.
Morinzi Instagram channel, and
Yes.
you can see is how working my digital life and how working my Daily Morinzi drinking.
Yes. Thank you very much, Mr. Laszlo Kocho. We are very excited to have you today in DXN RVC YouTube channel. We are at your service. My network is at your service, and India is at your service. Wherever my team is there, we are one world, one market, one world, one team, one world, one people, one world, one family, one world, one leadership. Everything is one. Dr. Lim has given us such a beautiful marketing plan, synchronizing the world into one unit. The whole world is a global family. We love you. Convey our best wishes and love to your family and your team. God bless you. We will see you soon, and whenever you want my help, I am with you. Thank you very much.
Thank
Good
you so
morning.
much, Professor. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and good luck to you.